the f is laurDIY and why was the mall packed with 12-year-olds in unicorn onesies today? I wanted to scream. Good morning, Moose! Happy Wednesday vlog! You look very enthusiastic for the vlog to be starting. Great start to the day. Good morning, guys. There are currently like 20 people here. My house has been turned into a major set and we have puppies on the way because today we are shooting a video that is gonna go up, I think around the end of November, but I'm shooting with the same people who make the YouTube Rewind video. Also, when does Rewind? I feel like we start shooting Rewind soon. Anyways, it's that team that shoots the Rewind video and we're doing this super fun video where we're gifting and DIYing for a specific YouTuber that you guys will see in the upcoming video. But today is a super busy day. I think we're like 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. today, so it's gonna be a super long day of shooting. But the first shot I think is with the puppies, so that's a great way to start my day. Super not mad at that. Bubba, are there puppies coming over? What this? What? Are you sleepy? And on top of this whole video being shot today, Alicia is coming over and we're shooting a little collab that I'm so excited. Thank you. Alicia is coming over and we're shooting a collab today. I feel like we haven't shot together in so long and you guys are going to die at this video. It's gonna be so funny. So I don't want to give too much away, but that'll be up I think in a week and a half or so. So that is the plan for today. And I'll definitely try and get someone to hold the vlog camera while I'm shooting with the puppies, but it's gonna be so cute.
All right, guys, let's settle, please. And then Naomi and Blair, let's be ready to unleash. Give us 1 sec till Moose is chill. All right, let's unleash our furry friends. Nope, that didn't work.
Road puppies.
All right, ready and action. Moose, we have so many friends to play with. Come on, come on, come on. Frankie, this way, this way. Moose, what's this? What's this? Go that way. Go that way. What is this? We want the treats. Oh my goodness, look at all these toys. Sit, wait your turn, wait your turn. Frankie, 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 Frankie. Moose, you can't hog all the treats.
Hi guys, so an update. My house has officially been taken over as a set and Alicia stopped by to give me an update on our collab. I'm so excited, guys. This is gonna be such a funny video. It's actually coming this weekend. I got it mixed up. So when this goes live, it'll be in 3 more days on the Sunday. I'm so stoked, but like currently look at my house right now. Like it is a straight up set takeover. It's sweater weather, baby. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My seat warmer, my butt is toasty. Fall is here in LA and I am here for it. Good morning, guys. So I am on my way to Costco right now. I don't know if this is like a thing that comes with age, but I love going to Costco. Mia and I both got memberships at the same time and it's just like a thing that we do. We Costco together. Oh, my car tripod is like on an earthquake right now. Oh no. Okay, stand by. Let me fix this at the next red light. Don't vlog and drive, y'all. Don't vlog and drive. So on my way to Costco because Mia is having a Halloween party tonight and we are gonna get some supplies and schnackle for the party tonight. This is what happens to me every single Halloween. I spend all of October making DIY costumes, obviously for my channel and for you guys, and it's like the best. Like I go so hard. I love putting so much effort into them. And then the night of Halloween or like my own Halloween party, I'm like, what should we be? What we got in the craft closet that I can throw together? So I ordered a few things on Amazon in prep. And also I feel like because I like doing couples costumes, Jeremy is only willing to go so far with costumes, which is totally fine. Like I too like to be comfortable on Halloween. So I usually try and pick a costume that I know he'll enjoy being in as well. So stay tuned to see what our couples costume is gonna be because it may be my most original costume yet. And by maybe, I mean it definitely is. And by that I'm being sarcastic. It is, I mean, you'll see. But you know what? I kind of enjoy just being something really basic and easy and nothing too stressful or, you know, high effort after October kind of wraps up and all the costumes for the Halloween series. So that is the plan for today. Also, I just went down this massive rabbit hole last night of reading mean tweets. It's the Jimmy Fallon series. And so when I couldn't sleep last night because I was up at 4 a.m. brainstorming video ideas like a psycho person. So I went down this rabbit hole of watching all these videos and I found some mean tweets about myself that I'm going to read and react to while I think I finish the DIY for my own Halloween costume tonight. Let's go find some Costco snacks. Let's be real, that's why you go to Costco. I mean, you can go to Ralph's, you can go to Whole Foods, you can go to Trader Joe's, but there's no free snacks there. I pay $50 a year for my Costco membership to get those free snacks. Let's do this. Demonetized. Costco game's so strong currently. The first time we ever tried to do this, we came with 1 cart and immediately realized that we probably needed like 2 cards each. Also, I specifically came for these star-spangled fuzzy pajama pants, which I found immediately. Very happy about this. I also made Mia get a pair too. This is what they look like. They're so cute. I saw them on Vivian's Instagram and I was like, girl, where you get those? She said Costco, and now I'm here. We also have a karaoke machine for tonight. The very first purchase.
The most important.
I know, the one and only thing needed. Oh my god, we got pop, we got chips, we got salsa, we got cookies, I got veggies, we got Halloween candy, we got chippies. Yo, this pie was $6. It's like 4 times the size of my head. Pie gonna be lit.
Pie gonna be lit. $6 pie.
$6 pie, you can't go wrong. Hi guys, back from Costco, which was an amazing, super successful shop. The snack selection, the snack offering at Costco was non-existent. I think we went a little too early for like the prime lunch rush. Also, how can Costco be so busy at all hours of the day? We literally went at opening and it was still psychotic, probably because it's like Halloween season. Either way, Costco was popping, got no snack, spent a lot of money on snacks for tonight though. And I've also decided that I want to make festive Halloween cupcakes. I apparently have too much time on my hands today. I also mentioned that I wanted to read some mean tweets today, and so I picked a few out. But you know what? I was surprised because I actually had trouble finding any like scathing mean tweets. So I will take that as a compliment. I looked really hard. Like I put in like laurDIY annoying, laurDIY worse, laurDIY bad, laurDIY hate, and I didn't pull that many bad ones. So I don't know if it's just that like I'm not memorable enough to hate that much or what the situation is, but you know what? I'll take it. So I figured that we could make fun of me a little bit while I DIY my costume, and I'm still not gonna give you the final reveal until later tonight when I like do my makeup. Also, welcome to this very makeup free vlog today. I've got my tutu. Here's your first clue. Wow, this is just like a lot. It's also not quite the tutu that I envisioned coming from Amazon. We're gonna make it work. I've got to cut out some felt and glue it on for this costume. I'm sure you'll figure out what it is as soon as I glue one of my little polka dots on. There's your first hint for you. So yeah, let's get into the hate tweets. Okay, so this first one, and I'm not gonna put these on screen because I'm not trying to put anyone on blast. Like, it's not like that. This is just a little bit of self-deprecating fun, you know? So this was actually part of a conversation that some fans were having after the Shane and Jeffree documentary went live the other day. And there's like a really sad part where Morgan was talking about the beauty community and this one specific Tarte trip that she had gone on that I had also gone on. We went to Hawaii. Okay, so the first part is, damn, that part about Morgan just made me so sad. And this next part of the conversation was, I remember when Morgan was hanging out with etc. laurDIY. Everyone was like, run baby girl, you're too good for them. And another person responded being like, is laurDIY a known bully? She's always seemed so nice. And like, I'm just like, I'm so sad because I am definitely not a bully. I've never been a bully. And I don't even think I've actually been even associated with bullying drama. But I'm glad that I seem nice. I try and be really nice, and I feel like I am nice, like in my core and in my heart. But also just to like clear this up a little bit, I feel like Morgan and I actually bonded so much on that trip because we are both not beauty gurus. And I'm gonna be honest, that community kind of scares the crap out of me. I just stay in my own little DIY world, make my crafts, and carry on with my life. And it's honestly always surprising when I get invited on those trips. I've only been on one, and it was actually that Hawaii one, and honestly I was so stoked that Morgan was there. Not that I beefed or didn't get along with other girls there, but I didn't know a lot of people. It was like Manny I knew, Rosanna who I knew, who also is not a beauty guru, and Morgan, and I was stoked that Morgan was there. Okay, so the next one is, who the f is laurDIY, and why was the mall packed with 12-year-olds in unicorn onesies today? I wanted to scream. And this one was actually from a little bit ago, but it is when I held a meet and greet to celebrate the launch of all of the onesies that I had in the laurDIY and Are Done collection. You guys showed up for this meet and greet, and there was probably like, I don't know, I wanna say over 1,000 of you guys. I'm not sure if she was in Quebec Mall or the Toronto Mall, but either way, for little Laura's DIY babes, y'all showed up. I guess it was a little disruptive. So if you're gonna be disruptive though, at least look cute in a unicorn onesie, am I right? Okay, this next one. laurDIY in my YouTube recommended. That means school is actually near. I feel like this is a thing that I actually mentally prep for, is people being mad at me when I start making back to school videos. And I feel like in like the olden days of classic OG YouTube, when everyone would start making back to school videos, it was super early. And even in Canada, we go back a little later than I think the majority of the states. So when I was still in school, I was like, y'all need to relax. It is June, I have barely finished school, and y'all are already starting back to school videos. So honestly, to that person, I get it. I really do. No one's trying to get in that school mentality early, and the OG like lifestyle guru community was all about getting an early start on that, and it was a lot. So I apologize for that. I truly do, because I'm not about that. All right, next one. laurDIY is just an upgraded version of JoJo Siwa. Both are annoying. Okay, mean to both me and JoJo. You know what? I feel like I have prepped myself for being called annoying since day one. Not everyone is gonna like the tone of your voice, the way you speak, the way your face looks, the content you make, and there is always someone who is going to find you annoying, and that is the reality of life. I would say my reality is a little larger than it used to be with, you know, the more subscribers and the more times you end up on the homepage or in someone's recommendations when they don't want to see you, you become a little more annoying to them, but that is okay because I'm used to it at this point. And also, don't come for my girl JoJo like that. Okay, we've made major progress. Yeah. Do you know what I am? I feel like this costume could go two ways, but once you see the rest of the accessories, it really comes together. All right, next mean tweet. laurDIY is wilding, and then it's got these 3 photos, 1, 2, and 3 here, and someone responded, was like, this is not the same person I stand like 2 years ago. No way. You know what? I am kind of annoyed by this because I feel like that insinuates that like feeling body confident means that like you shouldn't stan me, which is stupid, and I don't agree with that. But I mean, everyone is entitled to their own opinions. But also that one picture is from the Euphoria costume where it was just copying Maddie's costume from the show and recreating that one specific outfit. But the other ones, I mean, it's not like there's crazy nudity. I'm not violating any community guidelines. So if you want to be body confident and you feel like you want to wear a bathing suit in the pool, oh my god, it's so crazy. You should do that. If you want to do that and it's not violating any community guidelines and your parents are okay with it if you're under 18, do you. Oh my gosh, again, I forgot to DIY while I'm saying things. God, this is so hard. Okay, oh my god, look at this great picture. My mom sent me this. I was Sailor Moon for Halloween one year. I'm gathering some throwback Halloween photos to post on Instagram on actual Halloween. Moose your tippy tappies. Stop putting these pathetic kids channels like laurDIY that exploit children for money on the front page of YouTube and put some good content there. Get rid of these annoying mosquitoes we call family-friendly YouTubers. Honestly, that's probably the most offensive one so far because mosquitoes are the worst and serve no purpose in the world. Mosquitoes love me also. Like, I just like I don't know if I'm type O blood, I can't remember, but mosquitoes freaking love me. And this is honestly more offensive than all the other ones. I don't think I've ever had a child in my video, so not entirely sure where the child exploitation comment came from, but I do enjoy being family friendly so that people of all ages can watch my videos, because how scandalous can crafting really get? Okay, and our tweets finale, the 10 worst YouTubers. Also, I'm only mid-pack here, and also I don't condone or agree to this ranking, but in 5th place we have laurDIY of top 10 worst YouTubers. I have my favorites too. It's totally fine. Do I really think about my list of people that I hate? No, but it's okay. I'm more of like a cup half full type of girl, you know? Some people just have that mindset where they list out their least favorites, and that's okay too. You know, we all have time for attitude adjustment. But that's not offensive at all, because like truly, like, have your favorite people. I was mid-pack. Not that that should dictate how I feel about the ranking, but 5th place, I'll take it. Also, not that I want any more hate tweets or anything, but like laurDIY related hate tweets were pretty soft. So maybe at a future date we can circle back on this and do this again if there's any more hate. I think once the HBO Max show Craftopia launches in the spring, we'll probably have a whole bunch of new members to the Pretty Little Lore fam, the DIY babes who think I'm annoying. Can you be a DIY babe and think I'm annoying? I think you can. That's an opinion thing. I think that's allowed, but we have that to look forward to. I'm gonna finish the tutu of this DIY. We looking pretty good. Ooh, look at the heart. It's so cute. Look at that. And then we gonna move on to the Halloween cupcakes. Oh my gosh, the first batch of cupcakes are done. I feel like a lot of the Pinterest Halloween cupcake. What was that, Moose? I feel like a lot of the Halloween inspo cupcakes were chocolate, because it's like a chocolate and orange situation, but funfetti, always. You guys know I love the funfetti. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating these. I split my vanilla icing into 2 bags with some food coloring, so I've got like a lime green and an orange here that are a little blown out, but I promise they're like kind of saturated. And then I got some freaking candy eyeballs. Yes, let's get to decorating. Okay, Halloween cupcakes. Oh my gosh, these little eyeball ones are so good. Like, this looks like some like green Frankenstein brain mush with eyeballs on top. Ooh. Oh my god. basic Dalmatian in the world. And guess what Jeremy is? A firefighter. Also, oh, this is literally the best costume I have ever seen in my, also like your contour is so beat. It is insane. I will never get over it. When the sky meets the sea, it calls me. There's also a costume contest, and if Brandon doesn't win, I'm coming for the judge. This is like a shoe-in. Like there's no way anyone will have a better costume. So here's the tutu that I was making earlier. I did some of the polka dots as hearts, and it is so basic, and I'm so excited. I have like gym shorts, like spandex shorts on underneath, and I'm so comfortable, and I'm so excited. I have a cute little tail. Where's my tail? There's my tail, and I'm enjoying it so much. Also, the cupcakes are packaged and ready to go, and I'm so excited to do my first Halloween tonight. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't seen last Sunday's DIY, that'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another DIY, and again, we'll have another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.